best cardio. Just gets you going like nothing else. Enjoy your day. Have a great day. Yes. Guys, we're here in the Caribbean, enjoying an off day with the boys, and I'm gonna show you the view behind me. Buckle up. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's the way we celebrate today. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm pretty tired. Just got off the treadmill, finished one set of my interval sprinting after 6 sets of toe bells, 30 seconds each, which is putting this band around your waist and doing high knees with resistance, pushing forward. 6 sets of that. Now I'm doing sprint work. So today is my conditioning session and I'm totally loving it. I hope you guys made most of your day and did something productive when it comes to fitness. So find your own motivation. Be ready to always put in the effort, and as we say these days, come out and play. Hello guys, I'm gonna take up the Kit Up challenge and try to time how quickly I can do this. I think it's very exciting, and I would like to nominate Parthiv Patel to do the same. So here we go. So I came down to the gym to do my workout, and my buddy has followed me here, and he thinks this mat is set up for him, so I don't know what to do, but he seems quite keen on joining me for my workout. Are you? You wanna work out? Yeah. You wanna work out? Okay, let's get to work. So guys, doing another session of a little bit of strength and mobility, and look who I have with me. Working out like a boss. Having fun in the gym, and she's killing it. She's been going on and on and on. She can do more cardio than me. Bruno the Beagle leading the way. Right? Keep going. Go on.
What's happening? You need some bananas? Fancy the bananas.
I want banana.
Come on, guys.
I want